You wanna get with me, stop it.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'll be showing you guys how I did my heatless sleek ponytail. In this video I use 3 products. I use my eco styling gel, which is the one that comes in the green tube or the green jar. I use the gummy edge control, and I also use some hairspray. You could use like whatever got to be hairspray you have, or whichever hairspray you have. As long as it's a holding hairspray, you could use it. But I prefer to use the got to be spray. All the products that I'll be using in this video will be linked down below in the description box. They can also be found on Amazon, so for sure I will link them down below, or your local beauty supply store if you don't want to shop online. This video is pretty much self-explanatory, to be honest. Everything is pretty much explained, or not explained, but everything is pretty much shown. A tutorial was what was given. Okay, it's literally there. You can see exactly what I'm doing, basically. But for the most part, I went in with, whenever I'm using the eco styling gel, I will go in with the regular brush. When I'm using my edge control, I use the edge control brush, just because the edge control brush is a little bit smaller, and it will further help to sleek my hair even more. And after using the edge control, I went in with the hairspray to hold it down, went in with my blow dryer, and pretty much use it to like further mold the hair down in a place. I also use some spritz for the baby hairs, but you know, that's either here or there. You could use edge control, whatever you use for your baby hairs. The baby hairs are not really important, to be honest. It's just like the products and the way that I did the ponytail, or not really the ponytail, but the sleeking of my hair without having to use heat. I also sewed my ponytail, and I also showed that as well. But yeah, I'm going to just let you guys watch the tutorial. Like I said, everything will be listed down below. If I don't come back to end out this video, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Without further ado, just continue watching this video, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.
Having the feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word dream and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me what you see, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause a thing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Now you make me float.